Good morning, student. Student, now I will start the topic probability. Student, probability is an random experiment. It is a random experiment. Random experiment means we are not knowing the forecast or any exemption before the experiment. So, any random experiment is called the probability. Student, if we toss a coin, then we are not knowing either head is coming or tail is coming. If we toss a die, then we are not knowing which number is coming. So, it is the random experiment. Student, probability is also defined as probability of the event PE equal to NE over NS. Here NE is number of favorable outcomes. Favorable outcomes. And NS is total number of possible outcomes. Total number of possible outcomes of the random experiment. Student, probability is always of an event. So there is an event, E stands for event. Event is also the random experiment. And S is the sample space. Sample space. So, now your first exercise is related to the logic sample space. Student, the definition of sample space is all possible outcomes of the random experiment. What is the sample space? It is all possible outcomes of the random experiment. And it is a set suppose we toss a coin. So sample space of tossing a single coin S equal to H comma T. If we toss a die, then sample space is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. So that is the sample space. Sample is simply, it is the set of all possible outcomes of the random experiment. Student, now let us start the exercise 16.1. Student, question number 1. In each of the following exercises 1 to 7, describe the sample space for the indicated experiment. Experiment number 1, a coin is tossed 3 times. Question number 1, a coin is tossed 3 times. So, sample space is, there are 2 power 3 is 8. So, NS will be 8. There are 8 outcomes. All heads, 2 head, then 1 tail. And 2 tails, 1 head. And all tails. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So here all possible outcomes, they are 8 and this is the sample space. Second question. A die is thrown 2 times. So for this sample space is 1, 1, 1, 2, 1, 3, 1, 4, 1, 5, 1, 6, similarly 2, 1, 2, 2, till 2, 6, then 3, 1, and so on, 3, 6, then 6, 1, till 6, 6. So possible outcomes, here NS is 6 into 6, it is 36. Total number of possible outcomes are 36 here. Question number 3, a coin is tossed 4 times. When we toss a coin 4 times, then possible outcomes is 2 power 4. Here NS is 2 power 4, it is 16. And student, you can frame the logic, all heads, then 3 head, 1 tail. It will be take positions, head, tail, and so on. There are total 16 cases. Student, in this case, let us consider the coming of tails. So, your first case, no tail is coming. Let n equal to number of tails. When no tail is coming, then n equal to 0, and there is 4C0 is one case, and that is only all heads. Then 4C then n equal to 1 is 4C1 is 4. It means one tail is coming. So one tail can take the 4 position, head, tail, then head, tail, head. Then head, tail, head, then tail, head. Then n equal to 2. It is 4C2. 4C2 is 6. So it will be head, tail, head, tail, head, and tail, head. There are 3 cases. Then, when tails are not together, then tail, head. Then, head, tail. Then, and tail, head, tail. Then tail, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. There are 6 cases. Then n equal to 3. 3 tails are coming. It is 4C3 is also 4. It is same as this 3 tails and 1 head. Then n equal to 4 means 4C4. It is 1. There is only all tails. So when we make the set of all these, we will get S.